Yes, sir. Just came to that real car wash. Got my baby washed up.
Yeah, I really took all them trips, really smoked all them zips, really stood on the whips, really counted them chips. I've been doing this shit, my nigga. What could the fuck they be talking about? What could the fuck they be talking about? Yeah, yeah. What could the fuck they be talking about?
Yeah, I had to come follow my dude. S&P right here on Airport Road. Guys will get you together. Alright, y'all. Encrowd Gang and we out. But like y'all see, we back with another video as promised. This might be a two-parter, so we wanted to we got some goodies in today. Some goodies that came in, and we picked up some goodies, so we wanted to break some stuff down. One is the Alpha phone. Yes, sir. The new 13s. Got my son one, and got my daughter one. Moving right along. We got them cool grays. Even though we already had those, we got a new shipment that came in. I'm selling both of these. We got a 6 and a 6.5. Now I normally don't like opening people's packages, but I opened my son.
Hey, we're gonna go through somebody else's mail.
Got something come in, so we're gonna take a peek and see what he does. I normally don't open people's stuff though, but he asked me to, and I'm kind of in a rush because I got some stuff to do. Yeah, I gotta forget my hands, man. I'm like, you know, what in my hands? Okay. He ain't playing with him. He ain't playing. Yes, sir. Them off-white things. Yes, sir. Them off-white things. Them mugs are icy. Yes, sir. What y'all think about those? Well, you gotta have a nice little fit for this, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be. But yeah, we got those. Put this stuff back. I don't even go in there. What am I doing? Put this stuff back. Let them out.
Answer yourself.
King over here, and then we got a late pickup. You know what I'm saying? We ain't get the win or raffle or get our size, but we did get those right there. I mean, everybody probably know what these are around this time. We got a 5 in them, so I will be selling these. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we definitely selling them right there. So anybody on look for those, look out for those, let me know. Once again, those are 5 other joints, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little breakdown of some stuff that came and some stuff we picked up, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for everybody who subscribed to it, especially, and I'm looking rough, man. I'm getting my haircut and stuff tomorrow, so don't judge me. But everybody who subscribed to the channel been leaving comments. That last video went up to almost 100 views in one day. So, man, thank y'all. Encrowd Gang, and we out. Peace.
That's all, folks.
Niggas is dead me. Yeah. I swear. Ha. Yeah, we back to back and Lou in the track and bro got the red key. Yeah, we in Daytonas and Jay got the white one, the one with the red seats. Yeah, we got the gas and we on they ass, you niggas is dead meat. Yeah, we letting off and they pulling off the shit like a track meet. We